Warning: this content will have mature language. Some viewers may find this content offensive. Viewer discretion is advised. For reactions, we do not own the rights to music or videos.
Eat
What?
eggs.
Yeah, let's see you eat them fucking eggs, dude. I want to see you eat it. And no face either, bitch. Don't give me that. Or that, or that fucking face you makes after taking a shot.
Oh no!
That face you makes after taking a shot.
God damn.
Don't. I thought you were gonna drink it.
He probably would.
Oh
Yeah,
God.
I don't want to fucking
I was
smell
not.
it.
Can I spell?
Go like this. Go like this.
This fucking gross, dude.
Maybe this is why you can't get a date.
Why?
Look. Oh my God.
Huh? Oh. How was it?
I like these things.
You won't drink the juice.
Drink some juice.
You won't drink it.
Drink some juice.
You won't drink
You
it.
better get that shit out of my face.
Drink some juice, Charlie. Come on.
Drink it.
Do it for the views.
Yeah, I ain't lie, bro. That shit stinks.
Oh. Bro, that fucking smells disgusting.
Hey, Jose.
I think that's what's worse than fucking pickles, bro.
That is pretty gross.
I would have given
Nah, I don't fucking want that shit. Bro, that fucking stinks. Why are you recording, bitch?
because I thought you were gonna keep getting.
You should record yourself.
Did you do it?
Oh, I thought
Like a tonto.
No, it's not that. Stop. No, hold on. I got lightheaded, bitch.
So too
Try
much
one of these
zero.
eggs, Mike.
Fuck that shit.
Try it.
Ew.
You won't. Okay.
You know when you feel like your ear clog up?
Eat egg. Eat egg. I'll eat another egg.
I bet you would. Hold on. Eat another one, but I want to see what's in the middle.
That's what I was gonna ask.
What should be like
A
jelly
fucking
beans or
egg
some
yolk?
shit. But you're just putting your hands up in there and you're going to be touching everything.
A fucking egg yolk?
You're dripping it all over yourself.
This is not the first time he does that.
This smells horrible.
You don't say. How you touching that shit, Charlie? That's gross.
On.
Huh?
Bluetooth.